Need a modern document comparison solution. Microsoft Word is not it. It's Workshare Compare. In the modern world, digitization can help organizations efficiently manage their documentation with minimal errors or rework. But for this, the right digitization tool is critical. The right tool can help your organization easily create, manage, analyze, store, and share documents. It will also simplify document comparison so you can keep track of multiple versions without losing track of who did what, when, and why. Is your organization still using Microsoft Word for document comparison? It may be time for a change, and in this video, I'll explain why. Hello, I'm Lion Amir Virani, and welcome to another episode of the BSS Show. Microsoft Word has been the de facto document creation tool for decades, but for comparison, it's not the ideal choice. The application does not always support demanding document workflows, so when it comes to document comparison, it doesn't reduce inefficiencies or complexities, but actually increases them. Another issue is that Word does not provide cross-format comparison. So if your firm works with Excel, PDF, PowerPoint, or image-based documents, Word is useless for comparing them. And what if you want to compare a scanned document to the original soft copy? With Word, you can't. Word also does not have the print pages with changes only option. So you can't see the changes in a hard copy. It does not have a summary reports option either. So you can't see important statistics for comparing document differences. So, is there a better way to compare documents used quickly and extract useful information without wasting time, effort, or money on rework, miscommunications, or worse, human errors? Yes, there is. Try Workshare Compare. Workshare Compare accurately detects changes across any two documents in seconds. This market-leading document comparison solution integrates into your working life, whether you're working from a desktop, the cloud, or on the go with document management system. So you never miss a beat. The time it takes to manage revisions from multiple authors in multiple document formats can become a serious cost issue, not to mention error prone when spotting changes by the eye. Document comparison is an essential part of the work carried out by both lawyers, corporate legal teams, and their support teams. Decreasing the amount of time spent comparing documents enables the team to process documents faster, turn around work for lawyers quicker, and it helps to deliver great client service while keeping the teams happy. It helps compare anything at office, home, or on the go. Compare entire documents or only highlighted snippets within Outlook, the document and case management systems, or directly within the PDF, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file. See changes in charts, text, tables, comments, embedded objects, Excel sheets, ChemDraw, Visio, etc. OCR and embedded images like JPG, TIFF, BMP, etc. Over 2 million users worldwide use Workshare Compare to improve their document workflows. You can over 2 million users worldwide use Workshare Compare to improve the document workflows. You can as well be one of them. Connect with Team Prime Infotech Solutions or visit on www.primeinfotech.biz for more details or how to get this tool for your firm. In the next episode of the BSS show, I will discuss another critical enterprise issue. See you soon. Thank you.